In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to sign up for the DHgate affiliate program. So the first step is going to be very simple. What we're going to do firstly is to go into Google. You can do this of course on your mobile as well, just so you know, but I'm going to use my computer for this. Then we're going to search for DHgate affiliate, as you can see. So that is what you're going to search for basically, because then you should be taken to this page right here. And you should be able to see this one, official affiliate marketing platform for DHgate. And this is the one that you're going to choose basically. So I'm going to click on this one right here. And perfect, as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. And what we're going to see in here, as you can see, what is DHgate affiliate program? DHgate affiliate program is a platform for everyone could be partner with us. Yeah, as you can see, they just like list everybody that can be partner with us. It's everybody basically. As long as you have a way to spread, you have the chance to earn unlimited commission and bonus from DHgate, as long as you of course sell for them basically. And as you can see, share anytime. This is like, yeah, earn anytime, earn 3 to 60% commission, and during the shopping, as you can see. So they just tell us how much you can actually potentially make with the DHgate affiliate program. And here, as you can see, invite your friends and to earn 3 to 60%, and you get 30%. So what you're going to do now when everything is okay is to just click on get started now. As you can see, invite new publishers to join, earn extra 30%. This is also one way that you can actually make money through DHgate, as you can see. So what we're going to do now, we're going to scroll down in here. As you can see, it shows us like how you can actually see your referral commission rate in here and stuff like that. And you can always click, or rather we can scroll back up here again. What we're going to do is to click on join free right here, as you can see. And the next step is going to be for you to sign in or create an account if you haven't done so already, which you probably haven't done because you're watching this video, right? So you're going to write your email in here, then you're going to write your password, and then you have to also agree that you have reviewed this one right here, as you can see, and then click on create my account. And what will happen after that is that you will need to fill out some more details about yourself and what kind of influencer or company that you are basically, to be able to be considered for the DHgate affiliate program. So just fill all of this out correctly, as you can see, create your account, and then go to the next step where you need to provide them information on what kind of creator or what kind of company that you're going to be, how you're going to promote products for DHgate basically. So this is exactly how to do this. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.